Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete old leads in Pipedrive in just a few minutes. If your leads inbox is getting cluttered, this quick cleanup will help you stay focused on the leads that actually matter. Let's get started. First, go to the Leads section from the left-hand sidebar and open the Leads inbox. This is where all your leads are listed in a table view, making it easy to scan names, companies, and other details. Next, select the leads you want to delete. Use the checkboxes on the left side of each row to choose the leads. You can select just a few or multiple leads at once if you're doing a bigger cleanup. Before moving on, take a quick moment to confirm your selection. Make sure these are leads you no longer need, like outdated, duplicate, or unqualified entries. This helps you avoid deleting anything important by mistake. Once you've selected the leads, go to the top toolbar and click the Delete button. This option becomes available as soon as you select at least one lead. After clicking Delete, confirm the action if prompted. Pipedrive will remove those leads from your inbox, helping you reduce clutter and keep your workspace organized. And that's it. Go to Leads Inbox, select the unwanted leads, and click Delete. In just a few clicks, you'll have a cleaner workspace in a more focused pipeline. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.